today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious mini sandwich appetizer recipe. Welcome to Tasting Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need sliced baguette, cream cheese, hard-boiled eggs, salami, parsley, mozzarella balls, mini tomatoes, pickles, and toothpicks. Spread a thin layer of cream cheese on each of the baguette slices. Slice the hard-boiled egg and place a slice on each of the baguette slices. Fold our sliced salami into 4 pieces. On a toothpick, we're going to add a mozzarella ball, tomato slice, pickle slice, and a parsley leaf. Use this to secure the salami to the slice of baguette. Our mini sandwich appetizer is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.